so different and you just kind of have to get the hang of it. For shirts, tank tops, I would fold in one side, followed by the other, creating I like to fold it with the front facing it, because if you have any sort of texture, you want to protect it. So start by bringing the sleeve in, creating that width that you want that's equal, and then you're going to draw the sleeve back, always smoothing as you go, and this ensures that you won't have any wrinkles. So then I'm going to draw it all the way across, because that is the desired width that will match my other shirts in the drawer. And then I just like to flip it because I like to fold the top up first. So first I fold it 3/4 of the way, and then 1, 2, and it's perfect. T-shirts are like the easiest one because they always fold into a perfect little quadrant. Okay, let's move on to underwear. So I do fold my underwear. I store them in little boxes. Gives me a lot of pleasure. This does not take a long time either. So first I tuck up the bottom part, and then I bring the outsides in. Same thing, like this is always different. And then I just roll it. And then I'm left with this little perfect underwear that goes in a tiny little box, and it's lined up, and I can choose out whichever one I want. Sports bras, I do not fold my sports bras because I have enough space to just let them lay flat. And I feel like bras are happiest when they're not folded. So sports bras, regular bras, I always hook the back so it can maintain its form. And then